How to start your affiliate marketing business working from home. Welcome to this video, and I will explain the whole thing for you. Obviously, you're looking for working from home, affiliate marketing, or something of this nature. And I can give you exactly that, because over the past 9 years, my name is Bill Morrow, by the way, and I have been working online for over 9 years, trying to find the real system. Wasted time, wasted money, wasted effort, all that sort of stuff, just to try and get something working online. You'll get some working, then bang, they fall apart again. Too difficult to set up, and all sorts of things like that. So what I found now, and what I'm offering to you, is a system which is, as far as I'm concerned, perfect. It teaches you everything about internet marketing, right from the very start, how to do, how to set up, how to change, and do all of these sort of things. You don't have to bother about outside work. It's all done entirely in the course. So right from start to finish. The whole course works on video format. So there are loads of small videos. You watch a video, you then do what the video tells you, one little task inside the video. You do that, complete that, then go on to the next video, and the next, and the next, completing each stage as you go along. Now, by the time you have completed the course, you then suddenly find out you have a fully operational business. It can be set up in any niche you want. You decide, as the course will tell you, how to set it up, where to set it up, and everything about it. So the whole thing works very simply. You follow the system, and in the end you end up with exactly what you want, a working business online. And this is perfect for this situation, and oldies like me love it. Simply because I can work on the screen, I can then get out and do whatever is necessary, but the work is done here. Simple and straightforward. Now, all you've got to do to get more information, and that's what I will give you, more information. If you come onto my list, by clicking on the link below, you'll get the link and come onto my list, and I will send you more information. And also, I will guarantee, and I will promise you, that I will then follow up all the information that I give you, which means I will look after you and help you to succeed in what you're trying to achieve. Now, I have done it, so you can do it. If that old bloke can do it, that place, so can I. That's the attitude. You've got to believe in yourself. You can't just say, switch on, I want a business. You have to know exactly how you want to run a business, and that's all explained in the course inside. All you have to do is you have to believe in yourself that you want and can achieve what you set out to do. And the whole system guides you through and tells you exactly what to do and how to do it. So that's the next step. Go onto the link below, find the link, click on that, follow it through, and then I will help you to achieve your goal, the one that I have done. I've done mine, and I'm working on it, and now I want you to do the same thing. So see you shortly. Take care.